The 8652 is electro-pneumatic valve island, and it can be used to control your process plant. With a combination of 3-2 and 5-2 valves and electrical feedback, it can help control that from an automation point of view. The 8652 has many advantages, one of the main ones being the LCD display on the unit, which gives you a clear indication of what the unit is doing and give feedback to the valve positions, also give feedback in the life cycle of what's going on with your process plant. The 8652 uses the Burkett ME43 unit to allow easy integration with your plant's industrial protocols, whether it be Ethernet, Profinet or whatever you're using within the plant. This unit allows that connection. Another feature of the 8652 is the hot swap feature. This is automatically engaged, means there's no manual interaction needed. All you do is simply unscrew the bolt and remove the valve, knowing it's safe to do so. The 8652 is also maintenance free. With the long life expectancy of the pilot valves in there, the unit will run for several million cycles without any interaction from the operator. It comes in several different sizes as well, which is customisable for your application. We can have a maximum of 48 valve functions within the unit. These come as 3-2 valves. You can also have 24 5-2 valves or a combination of both. The Type 8652 with its compact design and very flexible communication protocols is perfect for use in many different industries.